Hello and welcome to this short tutorial on polite expressions in English. Using polite language is important in daily conversations, whether at work, in social situations, or even with strangers. Today, I'll teach you some key polite expressions and how to use them naturally. Let's get started. When you meet someone, it's important to start with a polite greeting. Good morning/good afternoon/good evening. Use these depending on the time of day. How are you? /how's your day going? A friendly way to show interest. Nice to meet you. When meeting someone for the first time. It's great to see you again. When meeting someone you already know. Always use polite words when making requests or expressing gratitude. Could you please? A polite way to ask for something. Example, could you please help me with this? Would you mind? Another polite request. Example, would you mind opening the window? Thank you so much. More polite than just thanks. I really appreciate it. A nice way to show gratitude. Saying sorry politely can make a big difference in communication. Excuse me. Use this to get someone's attention or when you need to pass by. Example, excuse me, could you tell me the time? I'm sorry. A basic apology. Example, I'm sorry for being late. I apologize for, a more formal apology. Example, I apologize for the mistake. Using polite expressions makes conversations smoother and more pleasant. If you don't mind me asking, a polite way to ask something personal. Example, if you don't mind me asking, where are you from? That sounds great. A polite way to respond positively. I see what you mean. A polite way to show understanding. When ending a conversation, always be polite. It was nice talking to you. A great way to close a conversation. Have a great day. A polite way to say goodbye. Take care. A friendly way to wish someone well. And that's it. These polite expressions will help you sound more natural and respectful in daily conversations. Try using them today. Thanks for listening and see you next time.